In this video, we are going to see how we can add our business to Google Maps. So let's say that you have opened a new restaurant or workshop or any kind of business and you want to just list your business onto Google Maps. Here's a quick way on how you can do it, both publicly and just to share with your friends and family or your regular customers. Here's how you can do it in multiple ways. First method is just dropping a pin. Let's say that your business is just around the T road corner. Just hold it with your finger, place your finger, keep it hold, and it will drop a pin there. And from here, if we scroll down a little bit, it says add your business to Maps for free. We are going to click on that and it will show you a complete procedure on how you can do that, but just make sure that you're logged into your Google profile. You can specify the business name, the business category. Let's say that it is Upskill-Education and it's educational center. Click next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? Yes, definitely. Click next. And it says enter your business address. You want to mention all of these details and then you will click next. So once we click next, it says that is this your business, because that is already listed, but since it is not, we will click this doesn't match. Click next. Where you're located, you can pin that particular location wherever you are. Click on next. Do you provide deliveries, home and office visits? If yes, you can tap yes, otherwise no. Click next. And it's basically creating all of your profile based on the information you are giving. And now it will ask for the phone number, the website and all of these stuff. Click on skip. I'm just going to show you a couple of steps. Next is start verification. Enter the phone number. It will make some verifications about that. Click on verify later. Add your business. You can add the lessons you can offer or custom services if you're offering any. And the business hours when you're open or closed, you can specify according to that. Click on skip. I will mention my business description, but since I'm just going to show you, you can just mention all of those details and then click next and click next. Select all the images for your storefront. Then you will add your business images or the services that you're offering inside your business. And after that, you can claim your credit that you can use in Google Ads if you're listing your business for the first time. And finally, this is how you can continue and list your business for free in Google Maps. After that, you can read the reviews, take reviews from your family, friends, and your customers. You can edit your profile, manage the performance, and basically list your business publicly on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.